All right, we're here in Warren. Real excited about rocking this one. Look at this baby. Beautiful high 10-foot ceilings. This is going to be really decked out with some great trim work. We're doing the first of its kind right here, opening up this entire wall with bifold glass panels. Another 2 sets of glass doors here. So that natural light right there is going to bleed right through the basement, right into this giant open area. Everything has double tray ceilings. We're going to have a wet bar right here. Of course, we got to have this really cool fish room here, housing a giant fish tank that's going to be outside. Open stairs, and then we got the movie theater here. Going to have a great screen, 3 rows, platform seating. Over here, we're going to have the concession stand. This basement's got it all. Absolutely has it all. Of course, there's a full bath over here. Right, when you come in straight through, we got a full bath here, large steam shower, and then this is the counter area to the TV room. But this is also going to be a bookshelf, doubling as a hidden door. And again, just really, really great, exciting rock and roll.